Alright, so Route 52. See that big beautiful mountain stretched out in front of us? Ooh, that's where we're going. I have done this road before and it is spectacular. Some fantastic views on top especially. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Hold on to your butts. It's a good, y'all. It's a good. The caution. Something sitting in the road. Watch the trucks. Alright, we're good. Tires fair. Lot of elevation. Those relentlessly going up here. I told y'all this was a good road. It's one of those that I wish it was a little bit tighter, honestly, because you can really carry a lot of speed, which is fun, don't get me wrong, but it's not the safest thing in the world. Sign says 25. See off to the right here, right, there's a bunch of holes. See off to the right here, we're starting to get some hellacious views. Oh, this fall color though, wow. Be biting. Look at that, that's pretty. All that color. Oh, these trees are still green. Wow. Sporting car of some sort. Sadly do. Wait, road. Everybody on the road, my road. Fellow brother of the curve. I told you was going to like this road. I wonder if this road has a name. I bet it does. I'll have to research that. Curtis pullover. Nice. For a long way. Look at that. Oh, somebody's built some pipe in the road. Kind of freaked me out. that sideways. Notice there are quite a few cracks on the very inside of the curve, like coming out of these curves I've noticed in the last couple turns. Road. North Georgia mountains, definitely for the win. Look at this. Hold up there, take a look for a minute, see here. Oh, there's another one right up there. But look at that though. Damn, I don't want to sit too long. I'm not nobody even behind me. I don't want to get anybody in front of me. Unless there's somebody up here. Oh. That is a hell of a view. Oh, just some really good views. That's why you come up here, though, for the views. It's not for the road. You just got to run the road behind me, man. Golly. Cracks I was talking about. This Fort Mountain Park Road is right up here. Take it a little bit easy, look past that. I've never been to the park. I assume it's like every other state park, it's hiking. Now it says North Georgia 2, I thought it was 52, but I guess it's 52 and 2. So maybe it's 2. It's 2 or 52, I don't know. It's showing both on the map. Definitely said maybe 52 goes to the park and stops there. Because I think it just changed. Whatever, who cares? Chatsworth and Ellijay, that's all you need. Yo-ho! Keep an eye open for wildlife. They are up and active this time of day. I got my deer radar on. Little bastards. Come causing me sometimes. So hopefully we just don't see one. Alright, so the best part is coming up from Chatsworth to the to that Fort Mountain State Park. This part's still good too, it's just not as good as the other side. Scenic Overlook. It's like it comes up that side much more aggressively than it goes down this side. So this side, you know, we're going down this whole time, but the road's more open. It's worth riding all the way across though, but if a man really wanted to, he could just ride up there to the big overlook we stopped at, and then turn around and go back down. Get 85% of the fun out of it. But you'd miss this curve, which is awesome. More like 100 and 0 right now because I'm stuck behind this guy. and it's just curvy enough that I can't get around. Well, what this guy in this Ford in front of me is doing is something just reeks of pot. It's definitely coming from that car, but they don't have their window. Well, they do have the windows down. Some man, there's. Why would you be smoking pot driving across the mountain? It says it's the end. The Tahota Chattahoochee Scenic Trail. Oh. What a great road this is, though. Out here down toward the end of it. We'll squeeze all these last little bits of goodness out of it that we can. It is a pretty road. I mean, even if you just like scenic road, it's a good one. Rolling, 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 what? Rolling, rolling, rolling. Because I know y'all be loving this shit right here. Thoughts I have while riding. Old Limp Biscuit song running through my head. L-I-M-P, biscuit is right here. So we kind of got down into the sort of half of the day. We're still going up and down a little bit, nothing major. We're kind of cruising along here in the city. And I love these kind of roads, but you can't really, they're not as much fun to ride because you have to go so fast to get the same kind of rush out of it as the smaller mountain road. Alright, I missed it. We just went past the Ellijay city limit sign. Anyway, we are in the city of Ellijay. I thought we were gonna, there was a sign, but I passed it. This is, look at that, the Ellijay Cigar Lounge. That is a cool looking place. Don't know which way to go. I have the right of way, sir. Please don't run over me. Hey, look at that. Dahlonega is 37 miles from here. Dahlonega. Dahlonega. I know it's Dahlonega. I just think it's worded that way. Alright, so good place to end the video. Going through an intersection, trying not to get run over. So I hope you had fun. I had a lot of fun. So like, share, subscribe, do all that stuff, comment. Because every time you do, it gets me one step closer to being able to go and do the next cool thing. So thanks for watching. Have a good ride. So I'm gonna go back to slide there again. Can't fix stupid if you don't broke it.